After the Constitution, he will also receive a copy of the Rules of Procedure of Parliament. So the Speaker is being robbed now. That the 12th Parliament of the Republic of Uganda has a new Speaker. That is the procession of the Right Honourable Speaker of the 12th Parliament of Uganda.
Honourable members, Mr. Speaker.
I pledge a corruption-free parliament. Under my leadership, we will cultivate a culture of absolute integrity and zero tolerance to corruption, anchored in President Museveni's clarion call for corruption-free parliament in the next 5 years. Accountability begins with us. In the next 5 years, we will hold the executive and other government bodies accountable. But we must start with ourselves. As they say, charity begins at home. We cannot hide from accountability of government resources, yet we expect it from other agencies and departments. My leadership, the floor of Parliament will not be a theatre for hearsay or grandstanding. Our debates must be grounded in hard facts, data, and sound research. A people-centered Parliament. Under our leadership, every bill, every motion, every decision must directly answer to the needs of the ordinary citizen.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.